Halo, kita dari kelompok 5 yang beranggotakan Ilham Gusti Kurniawan dan Jaka Dita Pradana ingin menyampaikan mengenai subject-verb agreement. Rule number 1, a verb agrees with its subject in number. Singular subject takes singular verbs. The car stays in garage. The flowers smell good. There is an old saying, opposite attract. The rule for singular and plural verbs is just a opposite of the rule for singular and plural nouns. Remember this when you match subject and verbs. You might guess that stays and smile are plural verbs because they end in "-ish". They aren't, but stays and smiles are singular verbs. Aturan kata untuk kata kerja tunggal dan jamak adalah kebalikan dari aturan kata benda tunggal dan jamak. Rule number 2, the number of the subject, singular and plural, is not changed by the word that come between the subject and the verb. Jumlah subjek, tunggal atau jamak, tidak diubah oleh kata-kata yang berada di antara subjek dan kata kerja. One of eggs is broken. Of egg is a professional phrase. The subject, one of the verb is are both singular. Mentality omit the professional phrase to make the subject-verb agreement easier to make. Berikut ini beberapa contoh subject agreement. Yang pertama, your friend talks too much. The man with the rose looks like your brother. The woman in the pool swim well. Bill drives a cab. The football players run 5 miles every day. Rule number 3, some subject always take a singular verb, even though the meaning may seem plural. Beberapa subjek selalu menggunakan kata kerja tunggal, meskipun artinya mungkin terlihat jamak. The subject are always take a singular verb, seperti each, either, neither, one, no one, everyone, someone, anyone, nobody, somebody, anybody, dan everybody. Seperti contoh kalimat, someone in the game was hurt, bukan were. Neither of the men is working, bukan are. Rule number 4, the following words may be singular or plural depending upon their use in sentence. Some, any, all, and most. Seperti contoh kata, most of the news is good, itu singular. Most of the flowers were yellow, plural. All of the pizza was gone, itu singular. All of the children were late, plural. Berikut adalah contoh-contoh kata yang menggunakan subject verb argument yang kedua dari aturan 3 dan 4. Some member of the faculty are present. Nobody in the class has the answer. Each of the girl observes all the regulation. All of the milk is gone. Most of the seats were taken. Rule number 5, subject joined by and are plural. Subject joined by or nor take a verb that agrees with the last subject. Subjek bergabung dengan dan jamak. Subjek yang bergabung dengan or atau nor mengambil kata kerja yang sesuai dengan subjek terakhir. Seperti contoh kata, Bob and George are leaving. Neither Bob nor George is leaving. Neither Bob nor his friend are leaving.
Rule number 6. There and here are never subjects. In sentences that begin with this word, the subject is usually found later on in the sentence. For example, there were 5 books on the shelf. Were agrees with the subject's book. Another example is, here is the report you want. Is agrees with the subject's report. Rule number 7. Collective noun may be singular or plural, depending on their use in the sentence. A collective noun is a noun used to name a whole group. Following are some common examples: army, audience, class, club, committee, crowd, flock, group, herd, jury, orchestra, public, swarm, team, troop, United States. The orchestra is playing a hit song. Orchestra is considered as one unit or singular. Another example is the orchestra were asked to give their musical background. Orchestra is considered as separate individuals or plural. Rule number 8. Expression of time, money, measurement, and week are usually singular when the amount is considered one unit. For example, $5 is not too much to us. 10 days is not nearly enough time. On occasion, however, these terms are used in the plural sense. There were 30 minutes to count down. Rule number 9. Some nouns, while plural in form, are actually singular in meaning. Mathematics is not an easy subject for some people. Physics is not taught by Professor Patwin. Another examples for Rule 9 is mumps, measles, physics, acrobatics, home economics, calisthenics, gymnastics, aesthetics, social studies, statistics, phonics, thesis, economics, civics, news, mathematics. Rule number 10. Don't and does must agree with the subject. Use doesn't after he, she, it. For example, doesn't he, not don't, know how to sail? Another example is they don't, not doesn't, make movies like that anymore. That is all for us. Thank you so much for attention. I would like to apologize if there is a mistake. I hope you have a nice day.